Kevin sustained his spinal cord injury in February of 2009 while swimming in the ocean in Cuba at his sister's wedding. A large wave dumped him headfirst into the sand, and he was initially diagnosed with a C4 complete quadriplegic, which means he was only left with the ability to shrug his shoulders. After his original rehabilitation, his wife Heather started a nonprofit exercise-based spinal cord recovery center called Walk It Off. Kevin regained enough function and strength in his arms to complete 8 half marathons in his wheelchair with power assist wheels. So if you notice, because Kevin's injury is so high on his spinal cords, he has a little bit of power on the back wheels that will help him be able to move the trike. In 2013, Kevin purchased a hand cycle and with no power assistance started training indoors. He completed the Miami Half Marathon in 2014 with no outdoor experience. He has since completed 2 10Ks, 4 half, and 2 full marathons. Kevin has competed at triathlon or paracycling specific events such as Défi Sportif, which is one of the biggest para events in Canada. Kevin is officially classified as a male hand cyclist to Division 1. This corresponds with complete spinal cord injury at the C6 level and is the most disabled hand cycling category. He is propelling the hand cycle with primarily his shoulders and his biceps. So if you think about it, he just has basically his shoulders and part of his arm, and you can see him, he's going at a pretty good pace for that. If you actually get on that bike, it's a lot harder than it looks. He uses, like I said, no hands, triceps, abdominal, and he's paralyzed from the chest down. Kevin B can always be spotted with his green helmet, which signifies what division he's in. So that green helmet correlates with him at being a male hand cyclist in Division 1, which is the most handicapped. And his final little words were, he will also likely be in last place. The thing with his bike, it's very hard, and some of the hand cyclists that are just paraplegic, they can get up to close to 30K. So Kevin does it for the love of the sport, not to win. He does it for exercise, and he's a phenomenal example of somebody who's had an injury and has taken that injury and turned it into a love of a sport, and he can still do it basically being a quadriplegic. So if we can have a big round of for Kevin as he comes around the track. Okay, secondly, we're going to get Julia. Yeah, Julia's riding a trike. It's another category of paracycling. This is the category that actually Shelley rides in. Shelley and Julia's